In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install Epson M100 printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to navigate at the bottom search bar and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, kindly proceed at the best match and click on Open to continue. In a while, you would be redirected to the Google Chrome browser. All you need to do is you need to wait until you can see a search bar that is being placed at the center. Okay, so once here, you need to navigate to it and type for Epson space M100 driver. Then hit the enter key so that you would be redirected to the result. So please select any of the result. Okay, anyway, they have similar options as long as you can download the printer driver, then that's good. So we'd be able to see the Epson M100. Please scroll down, click on downloads to refresh the page, and kindly wait until you can select the operating system and until you can download the driver. Okay, so please select for operating system, click on this down arrow key and go with Windows 11, click on go. And eventually it would be refreshed again. Scroll down, click on downloads, and kindly wait until you can see the driver. Once it's here, please proceed with drivers, click on it, and eventually it will show up the printer driver. Click on this download aligning to it, and eventually you can see a new window where it will ask you to agree on the license agreement. Click on accept so that you can now start on the downloading process. So click on keep, and then that way you can download the file. So please wait until this would be finished before we proceed to the installation. Once done, all you need to do is you need to click on the folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed to or saved to. So from here, you need to make a right click, okay? And after that, click on the cat icon. And once you have do that, close the window as well as this one. And from the desktop, make a right click and go with paste. So once you have pasted a driver file, all you need to do is you need to extract it. Or you can simply double tap it to extract it, or you can simply make a right click, and from that on you can use the WinRAR tool to extract the file. So go with extract to, and in a few moments it will be extracted. Once a new file folder has been created, meaning we have succeeded on the extraction, then this is the time that we need to navigate to the start icon, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings to start the installation. So from here, please directly navigate to the Bluetooth and devices, click on it, and navigate to the printers and scanners, and in that way you can see an option where you can add device. Click on it and wait until you can see an option where you can manually install your printer driver. Once it's here, click on add manually and kindly wait again until a new window would appear where you can manually add a printer driver. Now, once it's here, please choose the fifth option, which is add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next, and it will ask you to choose a printer port. Just select any of this three USB port. Again, select any of the three USB port. Click on next. Go with half disk. Click on close. And since created file or new extracted file has been placed at the desktop, then we need to navigate to the desktop, scroll down, double tap to it, double tapped once again, double tapped, and it will show you the driver here. Click on open, click on OK, and eventually it will be placed here. Click on next, go with next, and it will now start on the installation. So please wait until this would be done. Okay, so once done, you can allow for printer sharing if you would like to, or you can select the other one if you don't want to. So go with next once you're done, and here you can set it as your default printer by checking the box, and you can also check if your printer is working properly by clicking on print a test page. Once you're good, go with finish, and there you have that you would be able to install the Epson M100 series or printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So close the window and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day, everyone.